Hello, so today we'll be talking about arithmetic mean. My name is Masi Mutinda. I'm a physiotherapy student in Arad University. Arithmetic mean can be calculated differently for the different types of data. For individual data, mean, which is represented by x bar, is given by the summation of xi over n. For discrete data, mean is given by summation of fi xi divided by f summation of fi, and continuous fi mi summation divided by the summation of fi. But in this, mi means the median. So I'm going to give you examples for this. There is a different method you can use to calculate all means. Again, shortcut, if you have large sums of data, when you're doing individual data, you use assumed mean. For assumed mean is depending on your data, you can assume a mean that is given just by observation. Assumed mean plus the summation of di over n. For discrete data, assumed mean is given by the assumed mean plus the summation of fi di divided by summation of fi. Continuous data, assumed mean plus summation of fi mi divided by summation of fi. So we're going to have simple examples. For example, for individual data, example number 1, this is your data and you're told to calculate the mean. So the mean is given by summation of xi over n. This will be 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 4 divided by 4, which gives you 16 divided by 4. So the answer you get is as 4. Second example is going to be for discrete data. If I need an xi and fi. Say you have 2, 3 and 4. These are your values and their frequencies are corresponding to 1, 4 and 6. So how do you do the mean? Mean for this is given by summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi, which will be I running from 1 to n, I running from 1 to n. So in this table, you need to create a different table of fi and fi xi. So to solve this, create a table of fi xi. Fi xi means multiplying this, which will be 2, this will be 12, and this will give you 20. Then you get the summation of this. Sorry, this is 24, not 20. My bad. And then the summation of this will be 38. So your mean is going to be given by summation of fi xi divided by the summation of fi. And again, the summation of fi here, this will be 11. I running from 1 to n, I running from 1 to n. So this is 38 divided by 11, and you get your mean as 3.45. Then we have this data. So we are going to do for continuous data. This is an example of data, and for continuous data, the mean x bar is given by the summation of fi mi divided by the summation of fi, with this of course running from I running from 1 to n. So this in this bar means we need a separate column for fi mi. So you create fi mi, and before this you need to create a table for mi. Mi is the midpoint of this value. So from this data, midpoint is 5, 15, and this is 25. So fi mi is the multiplication of this. This will be 20. This will be 90. And 2 by 25, this gives you 50. Then you have to calculate the summation of this fi and the summation of fi mi. So this gives you 12, the sum, and this, the sum should be 90 plus 20 plus 50, 160, right? So you come and substitute your values. Summation of this is 160, divided by the summation of fi, which is 12, which gives you a total of it gives you 13.33. So this is your mean when you're using direct method. If I give an example of, so for the same example, if I teach with the shortcut method, this is the formula to get the shortcut method using the assumed mean. In this case, I'm going to take 15 as my assumed mean. Why? Because 6 is the highest frequency in this, and I'm going to assume my mean will be in this class. So we take 15 as assumed mean. This is the formula, so we need a column of di and a column of FIDI. So you create di, where di is actually given by mi minus the assumed mean, divided by c, which is a constant of these classes. And the constant here is 10. So if you calculate this, you get negative 1, 0, and 1 for the di. Then calculate FIDI, multiplying di column with the FI. This will give you negative 4, 0, and 2. The summation will become 2. So you come and substitute in this formula. This is 15 plus 2 divided by 12. This will be negative 2 actually. Then multiplied by 10. This will give you 15 plus negative 1.6667, and once you do this, this gives you the same answer as 13.33. So you see, you notice that the mean, whether you use direct method or shortcut method, it gives you the same mean. So these are the different ways you can calculate mean. Thank you so much for watching.